welcome to my cooking show. Today we're making some cheesy eggs with cut up tomatoes. First you need to turn the stove on. Ah! Why is it doing that? There. Now, oh yes, we'll do the ingredients. So while this is heating up, you need some cheese, any of your choice. I like to break up 2 pieces of these into my egg. You need as many eggs as you want. I'm having 1 egg, some tomatoes, and some butter. So first, we're gonna take about we're gonna do this one, like that, maybe a little more than that. And always make sure your hands are washed before you start cooking. And then we get, move it around a little bit. We're gonna look professional, do a little bit of this. Crack the egg in, like that. Okay, so it won't cook very fast if you have it on low, so it won't start going sunny side up. So we need to do that a little quick though, so make sure it doesn't do that way. So then you break the yolk and you start mixing it all up. I make sure they're not sloopy. I like them cooked, like real good. So they're not all gooey and yucky. Okay, now those look good. We're gonna take some of this cheese. You can grab 2 pieces like that. Maybe you only need 1 piece. I like my eggs cheesy, so we're gonna add the other piece in. Okay, now you let that melt. Okay, you got a cutting board now. Okay, now you get the tomatoes out, as many as you want. Thank you. So I'm gonna put them on the top when we plate it. That's just me. But if you like to cook the tomatoes, you would cut them up earlier and then you would put them in now with the cheese. So that's just kind of yeah, hear that sizzling. Oops, it burnt a little down there. Oops. That's okay. I burnt the eggs. Okay, before they burn anymore, I'm just gonna plate them. Let's actually turn this off. There we go. Oh, gross. Ew, who wants to eat that? Oh no, first episode is a fail. Gross! Who wants burnt eggs? Because I don't want these for my breakfast. Ah! Ew, I'm not going to eat the rest of those. You may put your tomatoes on top. Gourmet! And some, ooh, look at that, that's cheesy. Disgusting. Goodbye. I hope you like my gourmet cheesy eggs with